Hey guys, welcome to Magnolia Ridge Forest. This beautiful property in Magnolia was built in 2021, but you would never know it. It feels brand new, it smells brand new, it is very lightly lived in. So take advantage of this. This is a move-in ready. You do not have to do a thing. The kitchen is a wide open concept, wonderful for entertaining, huge island, and just this beautiful open space with the light colored walls. We've got a great storage area here for the pantry, as you can see. And this is your double car garage that's attached to the home. The office is really nice that it's just that study right off the main door. But it is a 4-bedroom. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath. And I'm gonna show you first, we're gonna go right through the living area here. And then I just wanna show you the primary because it's sort of separated from the secondary bedrooms. There is one secondary bedroom that is close by. But really nice big bright windows at the back. And then double sinks, nice soaker tub. We've got a single shower there as well. And then there is it's an oversized, really nice, good sized closet. As you can see, it holds a lot. Okay, let's go into the secondary bedroom that's right next to the primary. So we're just gonna turn left here, and they're all, even though it is a property that is 1932 square feet, all of the bedrooms are a very good size. This is the one vanity, and then as we walk through, this is a shared toilet and shared bathtub. So 2 vanities, your Jack and Jill basically. This has the auto light, which you just walk in. It's got the motion sensor into the laundry room. And then the other 2 secondary bedrooms are here. Also, like I said, really good size. And this one she sort of made into a TV room, which is kind of cool. But one more quick look at this kitchen area. I just wanted you to see how grand it is. Super high ceilings. It is a Lennar built home, and I want to just show you also the backyard has a complete blank slate. It's got an oversized covered patio, which is super nice for cooking and grilling and whatnot. But if you ever did want to build a pool, it's got a really good size yard to be able to do that. So come and see it in person. My wonderful Craig over at TK Images does the pictures, but it's nothing like the real thing. So come on over, give me a call.